Good morning. Today our topic is abilities required for hospital pharmacist. So there are so many responsibilities or duties of the hospital pharmacist. To achieve this duty or responsibilities, he must have some abilities, some capabilities to do this the work. So there are some abilities which must be uh, in the pharmacist. For example, knowledge of drug and their action, development of pharmaceutical manufacturing program, third, knowledge of control procedures, fourth, participation in research activity, teaching and training program, administration and management of hospital pharmacy. So there are six main abilities which have in the pharmacist. So we discuss in detail one by one. First is knowledge of drug and their action. Pharmacist must have knowledge in chemistry, pharmacology, route of administrations, stability, and other informations relating to drugs. The hospital pharmacist must be able to provide information and assistance in the proper handling of drugs, for example, radioisotopes and experimental drugs. Second ability, development of pharmaceutical manufacturing program. Drugs are required in bulk quantities in big sized hospital which may be manufactured in hospital itself or procured from outside sources. Pharmacist must be able to evaluate the relative savings. Saving means the cost of labor, maintenance cost. It should not so much high. So it is the ability to pharmacist for saving. Clinical staff request to pharmacist to prepare drugs which are not commercially available. Third, knowledge of control procedures. Drugs are procured from market or dispensed. In every case, it must be evaluated for quality and standards. It must be quality product and compile their standard with the compendia. The hospital pharmacist must have thorough knowledge of pharmaceutical properties and their control procedures. Number 4, participation in research activity. Pharmacist must participate in research activities to improve pharmaceutical preparations, method of preparations and stabilizations, and increase therapeutic effectiveness of the drugs. Number 5th ability, teaching and training program. The hospital pharmacist must be capable to organize teaching or training program. He may prepare lectures, demonstrations for paramedical staff. In this regard, he covers the topic like storage of drugs, drug uses, dosage form, etc. Last one is administrations and management of hospital pharmacy. The chief hospital pharmacist must be able to plan and direct pharmacy policies, for example, budgeting, stock control, record maintenance. He is also take the responsibilities for interviewing, selecting personnel for pharmacy department. Thank you.